So let's see guys what happened for my incoming call. So wait and was and here.
Rashid, please pick up the phone.
Okay guys.
Rashid.
Okay guys, you hear it. It says my name. So hello guys, I am back to another video. So into this video I gonna to show you how to make our name ringtone. So here we go. In your Chrome browser search FDMR search. So first website, click here and search your name here. My name is Rashid, so I can search my name. Then appear you the first link, click here and download it.
Rashid, please pick up the phone.
So you can hear it. My name says that Rashid, pick up the phone. So you can download it from here. Okay, download successfully. Then go to your settings, sound and vibrations, and phone ringtones. Click here and all ringtones, imagers, all ringtones, local ringtones, and file manager. Then where you download it, so I am download in download folder. So click here and here it is. So select it and okay. So it set successfully. Then back and you can also hear it. So let's see guys what happened for my incoming call. So wait and was and here.
Rashid, please pick up the phone.
Okay guys.
Rashid.
Okay guys, you hear it. It says my name. So guys, if you are enjoy this video, please like and subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.